basket by Joaquin. Easy basket. Yan. We got the Alton brothers. Alton. Yellow for you, Lester. Pass to Maiku. Kawayo. Pass to Kamasaya. Kawayo. Pero pinasa niya. Pinasa din ako. Spartan boy. Long pass up here. Back to Joaquin. Pass to Tony for 3. Bang! Basket by Tony. 52 years old. Michael Pumenge, pass to number 10. Number 10, Sauraki, pass to Lester. Lester is stepping. There bro, you got a target there, bro. And back. Joaquin. Driving. Pass to Javier for 3. Wala. Naribani. Pero nabatungan na naman. Parang last game. Niya, oh. Natuwa ka. Ayun, ako lang yung Pino English eh. Ito na ha. Paso. Michael. Paso Luigi for 2. Wala. Pero may foul. Foul number 12. Second personal foul. First shot for you. Second shot. Second shot goes to pa rin. Nari mga Gabriel. Pass to Ronnie. Dito Ronnie. Ayaw nila pala ito. Nalo Ronnie. Pass to Joaquin. Pass to Sigamay. Pinawag kita sa Gabriel for 2. Basket by Gabriel. Score natin 7-0 in favor of Spartan. Lester, pass to Michael. Michael for 3. Wala. Nari Ronnie for 2. Wala pa rin. Nari Ronnie Neves. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Pass to Ronnie. Johnny. Gumabang pa ka. May kasama pa kay Kapam. First shot. Basket. Second shot. Basket pa rin. Grabe ka lang yung nakali ay. Grabe na lang yung nakali ay. Lester, long 3. Wala. Nari mo yung Joaquin. Pass to number 12. Pero ano pa yan? Outside. Black ball. Michael. Number 10, nakapik. Nakawali ang bilang. Number 12. Number 12, no pass to Tony for 2. Basket by Tony. Grabe naman ito. Score po natin 11-0 in favor of 11. Last 6 minutes of fourth quarter. To number 10, Lester to right. For 2, wala shot. Nakuha ni Donnie. Donnie. Pass to number 12. Number 12. For 3 point. Time out. Southeast. Back to Michael. Pass number 10. Number 10. Pass to 17. Pass to Rudy. Okay, foul. Next up, Brett. 16. Third. Foul. Michael, for 3. Wala. Nari ko ni Javier. Pass to Joaquin. Joaquin, for 2. Wala. Nari ko ni Rudy. Joaquin, pass to number 12. Pass to Donnie. Pass to Javier. Kay Joaquin. Ayun, nakakuha ng number 12. Number 12, kaso 52 years old, number 2, wala. Nakalimutan ng Michael. Naku po, tapos na yata prime mo. Kasi gawin mo na, nakakapit. Kaya, bumawi na si Ronnie. Ay, binasa number 12, di bumawi. Binasa kay Joaquin, binalik si Ronnie, free throw line. Basket yan. My God. Score pa natin 16-0 in favor of Spartans. Nasa lang number 10. Susunod tayo natin nakagawa na kami. Rudy, umikot for 2. Wala, pero may foul. Foul 7. Second personal foul.
Nice game, nice game. Nakuha pa ni Rans? Yung jersey? Anak.
Wala mo na kami.
Oh.
Wala. Dali. Pass number 7. Dali, bisa 3. For 3. Airball, nakakuha yung cycle. Pinasa Lester. Lester pa rin. Last 50 seconds. Pass to number 10, pero may foul. Last 45 seconds. Second personal foul. First shot basket. Second shot basket. 2 points sila. Last 50 seconds. Number 7. Uy, pinasa pa rin natatik. Tumama sa 8 seconds. 5 seconds. Joaquin. 4-2. Kaso wala. Not counted. End of the first quarter.
Ha? Bumili ng pagkain si Kyle? Oo, bumili ah. Sino ba bumili? Si Kyle na eh. Bakit binili? Wala. Ano ba kayo nabos yung ano ko ha? Ulo. Sino naman na yung logo? Niloko.
Number 10. Number 10 tumege. Tumbray. Uy, lock pasok. Please. Please. Okay. Wala. Nari mo na tumeg. Kamuha nila namin dito. Tingnan ko. Grabe talaga mga kapangalan ko, mga iba. Gabi, lumay pa. Uy, Michael, come on, Michael, for free. Wala, tari mo naman tayo. Pasok, please. Please, pasok. Javier, kartong basket. May nasawa pa ng foul.
Kanina yan. Malalaki na bro. Pag-usapan namin doon. Hindi, pag-usapan nyo yung mga hindi naglalaro ko din yun. Kasi kawawa. Pinasa Ingles. Bilang ba? Okay. Pinasa yung Javier for 3. Bang!
Sky. Ayan. Pass to Michael. Michael kumengin, pinasa kay number 10. Number 10, tumalon. Wala. Careful, nakuha number 10. Joaquin. Finish by Joaquin. Basket yan. Score po natin 35-8 in favor of Spartans. Bagong malaki ka lang naman, pakakakapon kaya. Free. Gabi. Pass to Michael. Michael, pass to number 10. Number 10. Number 10. Asay, pass to Melody. Ano wala? Patapay. Ginagawa. Hey, kaya maayo ang kampe, yung nagbabato. Nagbabato na ang kampe. Michael, for 3! Wala pa rin! Tari pa number 10. Pero may foul. Foul number 10. Napawag si number 10. Pero nakapawag si number 10. Gabi, pass to number 10. Back to Gabi. Back to number 10 again. Dalawang na sila naglalaro. Pinasa ka number 16. Pero may foul. Foul, Michael. First personal foul. Michael, pass to Gabi. Pinasa kay Michael, tumina naman ang 3. Air ball! Block! Smart, paso number 7. Uy, nakakatabi ka, nakuha na pa rin. Pasukin, pasok Chris. Kumain ka na pasa, tumulad si Chris. Pinasa kay number 10. Uy! Basket shoot! May kasama pang palo. First personal foul, Kevin. Follow shot is good. Score by 28-8 in favor of Spark. Gabi. Pass to Lester. Lester go 3. Wala! Naglo lang ito pero may foul. Foul number 10, blue. Pushing foul. Pass number 10. Number 10. Long pass to Lester. Lester pa rin. Long pass to Gab. Gabi for 3. No, pa rin. Sayang. Blue ball. Joaquin, class number 10. Number 10 for 3. Bang! Class number 10. At tapos sa 23 ang kalamakan. Pass to Rudy. Rudy tonight. Nakakawan na. Paano pa rin? Pass to Lester. Pass to Gab. Pero may foul. Foul 21. Can you do some for me? Sabi kaya tapusan. Nasa Rudy. Pass to Lester. Lester for 3. 3 points. Chris. Pass to Joaquin. Joaquin, back to Chris. Chris, back to Joaquin. Dalawa naman sila naglalaro. Joaquin to drive pero may foul. Gabi, first personal foul. First. Pass number 10. Number 10, Dumrag. For 2, Sobra. Now one Jimel. Jimel, pass to Lester. Lester, 2v1. Lester, kumuha ng 3. Ndolfo, dali yung mga Chris. Pass to Mark. Last 55 seconds. Mark pa rin. Chris, driving Chris, kumikot. Pinasa kanino, pinasa kay number 12. Number 12, Dumrag, pass to Joaquin. Joaquin, bumangka. Ano nangyari? May foul. Jimel. Grabe. Grabe, may pagkain. Thank you po sa sponsor. Next week ulit. Pero si Chris, pinasa kay Joaquin. Rampas basket kay Joaquin. Just 12 seconds. 6 seconds. That one, Jimel. 4 seconds. Basket by Lester. Number 12. For 2.
Tayo na, naka-video kayo!
Wala! Nakakabila na wari! Push ball rep! Same ball, same ball. Number 10, wala! Nari-bari, nagkakabila na, tapik-pika, pass to Javier! Javier driving for 2, Sobra, now number 10! Sit down!
Ano na ilipat to? Huwag kaya kasi.
Kaya mo tayo guys. Gabi. Pass to Michael. Michael back to Gabi. Gabi pass to number... pero hindi pa kapos. Nakakuha ni Gabi na. Nakakuha ni Michael. Bigay kay Jimel sa kapos. Nakakuha ni number 12. Don't tell me the Michael. Nice nila ni Michael. Michael Curry. Bounce pass to Gab. Pass to Rudy for 2. Basket. Nagbalon. Uy. Naliwa. 180 lefty. Pass to number 12. Pass to for 3. 3 points. Grabe. Palakas na palakas. Patanda na patanda. Sana all. Gabi pass to Michael. Back to Gabi. Number 6 lumipad. Basket by number 6. Basic lang mo. Basic lang. Gabi pass to number 12. Pass to 11 for 3. Wala. Gabi. Dumrag si Gabi for 2. Wala. Pali. Nakuha ni Guidoni. Oh, parang makakit na ni Gabi ah. Pass to Mike for 3. 3 points! Ako pataas ang kalabangan ng Spartans. Okay. Problema na naman. Michael. Screen by number 10. Michael pass to Gabi. Gabi Migod, back to number 10 for 3. Wala, pero nakuha ni Kuya Rudy. Basket lang kay Kuya Rudy. Nakakasipag.
Where are you going?
Number 12, wala. Kapos na wala natin, kawahan. Tama, number 10. Number 10 pa rin, number 10. Pass to Jimel. Jimel! Wala! Now, pass number 10 for 2 easy basket for number 10. Danat Black. Opo, 23 ang kalamangan. Lester for 3. No good. Good, Michael. Next up, Michael for 3. Pero may foul. Kakataon mo na. Third personal foul, number 10. Kaya Michael, first shot. Wala. May pagkakataon ka ba, bossing? Marco, second shot. Point two. Pasok buwak shot. Second shot, third shot pa, wala. Kuya Riz, pinakawalan mo wala. Kuya Riz, pinakawalan mo wala.
Yeah.
Lester, giving the ball. Lester, pass to Michael. Michael, for 3. Wala na naman. Dari-dari. Pwede ito. Kapitawan. Kapitawan. Pinatuloy. Kapitawan. Nakabulot sa rin. Wala ang bola pati ang kanyang pass. Yan, sulat. Lester, dribble the ball. Lester, setting up the play. Lester, pick. Lester, kemarin, tuloy. Sa naman, wala pa rin. Pangkilan na yung ball. Lester, sumipengin. Sumadyak ng Nasir. Nasa ikaga, tumira ng tres. Lester ulit. Lester, may kasa tumira na naman ng tres. Wala na naman. Lester, tira ulit. Basket kick. Kuya Riz, sinabi niya yung Lester. Kuya Riz, sa magkata. Pinasay kay Donnie. Kuya Donnie, magkano lang sa ay. Wala kayo, hindi mo naghanap. Tumira, wala. Dito, tinira. Nakakala ba ba ito? Pinilihan mo. Nagasa, nagisa, tulagkas. Sumagasa, humakap. Wala, tihak na. Tumira. Kaya siya, foul. Hindi kasama ko sigaw. Foul ni? Sino pong foul?
Mark!
Number 7.
Magsi-shot clock ako.
Number 7.
Hoy! Bawal mag-vape dito!
Regimen. First shot, wala. Second shot. Second shot. Wala. Rebound ni. Taylor. Blackboard. Kevin. Wala. Black ball!
Angas din ang angas ng jersey mo, no? Mr. Right.
Paso Yugi, lumipas. Wala ka post, na-rebound Javier. Paso Joaquin. Joaquin, driving inside. Joaquin inside there. 5-11, last pass. Joaquin. Lester, pass to Gabby for 3. Short, no good. Rebound by Javier. Pass number 12. Number 12, pass to Leonard. Leonard for 3. Short, rebound by Lester. Lester, pass to 16. 16, pass to Uy. Nakuha ang laban. Number 12, pass to Javier for 2. No good. Rebound by Gabby. Lester, kumeke. Wala kay no. Yan, pass Joaquin for 2. Pass to Joaquin.
Wax, where's the 3, bro?
Lester, pass to Gabby. Four, 3, 2.
Wax for 3. Bam!
Pass to number 12. Early foul. Pass to Early. Well, pass to Joaquin. Joaquin for 3. No good. Rebound by Lester. Steady back, not steady. Javier. Pass number 12, pass number 11 for 2. It's a basket. Next up, Next up. Number 12 for 3. 3 points. Lester for 3. And one. Chris, pass to number 12. Number 3. No good. Rebound by number 10. Number 10, pass number 12. Rebound by number 12. Next up, Rick. Number 59-25 in favor of Spartans. Lester, basket by Lester.
Si Joaquin, patirahin mo si Joaquin. Shoot it!
Joaquin to right. Perfect foul. Gabi. Second personal foul, Gabi. 12. Nice play. Natawa pa ni Chris. 12. Number 12, 5-7. 3 point. Gabi to drive. Pass to Lester. Lester. 14 second shot clock. Lester for 3. No good. Rebound by number 10. Hi, Chris. Pass. Nasa quick.
Wala sa akin.
Grabe pass number 10 for 2. Basket is good. Chris for 2. No good shot. Number 10. Pass to Gabi. Gabi, great pass for 2. No good. Ang kagawan. Gabi pag-ingat laban. Foul kay Rudy. Second foul kay Rudy.
Pre, ngiti ka muna sa camera, pre.
18 seconds shot clock.
Grabe ka talaga, retired ka na dapat eh.
Chris asking for a swing. This way.
Gabi.
Number 10. Pass to Jimbel. Pinasakay ko Rudy for 2. Short. Nakuha na pa rin sa lumusot. Ano na ako number 10? Nag-pass to number 10. Nakahalas ko yung blood. Number 10 for 2. Basket. Diyan ka kumahan dyan, Rep.
Oy, dapat kasi nasa gilid ka.
Outside.
Talagang referee na to. Oh.
Paso kay Rudy. Back to Michael. Paso number 10 for 2. Basket ulit by number 10. Grabe naman ang Chris. Good. By number 10. Nag-low na naman yung shot clock. Oh my days, man. Grabe. Pero may foul. Mga baby po, tabi po yung mga baby. Michael for 3, no good. Rebound kay Rudy, pass to Jimel for 2, pero may foul.
Jimel! Bang! Kitang-kita pare, isa pa! Jimel!
Wala na po tayo shot clock.
Basket yan, bossing! Sabi niyo eh!
Basket is good. Number 10 for 2, no good. Wala na po tayo, stop time. Uy, nakuha. Pasok sa. Chris Mike. Pero pamata, pinasa number 10. Number 10 for 2. No good. Rebound na Main. Basket by number 10.
Jimel, isang 3 points. Sabi ko sa'yo makashoot ka na yan. Oo, isang 3 points muna. Jimel!
Number 10. Number 10 for 2. Basket na naman by number 10. Chris, pass number 10. Uy, pinakasa kay Michael for 2. Wala. Rebound na pa rin. Basket.
Pasalamat ka, di ko na-videoan.
No good. Rebound number 12. Basket ready.
Pare, patira namin si Jimel pare, 3 points. Tira pare. May video, papasok yan. Oh, muntik na. Umalog lang.
Number 7 for 3. No good. Dahil pa dito na, napakalakas.
Tawagan mo traveling. Bang bang. Ay po. Malas lang, umaalog lang eh. Umalog lang pare.
Kabayan po. Nice game.